Exe wola wola Shapfiri Wizard Bafetu, thank you for tuning in to everything SA Diski. And on this one today we got you why Orlando Pirates look set to beat Mamelodi Sundowns to Thabang Mamelodi. Polokwane City defender Thabang Mamelodi is edging closer to an exit with Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns battling for his signature. Polokwane City right back Thabang Mamelodi could be on his way out of the club with Orlando Pirates reportedly leading the race to sign the highly rated defender. The 27-year-old is also attracting interest from Mamelodi Sundowns, who are believed to be monitoring the defender as they assess their options at right back. According to Everything SA Online, Mamelodi has entered the final year of his contract with Rise and Shine, prompting the club to consider selling him this transfer window rather than risking losing him for free next year. Pirates looking to sign Mamelodi. The publications reports that Polokwane City are currently weighing up offers from both Pirates and Sundowns. The boss wants a little bit of space to choose the right offer for both the player and the club. He has agreed to sell the player and he is expected to leave the club, a source told Everything SA Online publications. From a football perspective, Orlando Pirates may present the more attractive destination for Mamelodi. The Buccaneers are looking to strengthen at right back and could offer him a clearer path to regular first team football. Currently, Tian Van Roen and Kamohelo Sibelebele are Pirates' recognized options on the right side of defense, although Sibelebele is also capable of playing further forward. That could open the door for Mamelodi to compete immediately for a starting role at Sundowns, at Orlando Pirates and Sundowns. At Sundowns, the situation is less straightforward. Khulisa Mdawu remains the club's first choice right back, and unless he departs Tlorkop, Mamelodi could find opportunities harder to come by, despite the financial appeal of a move to the regaining champions of the CAF Champions League. While Sundowns may be able to offer a more lucrative package, Pirates could provide a better footballing opportunity should Mamelodi prioritize regular game time. Or should he choose the money instead? Where should Mamelodi go? Please leave your thoughts, comment down below the section. From your boy Isaac Waisonais, home Darwin Chumba City. Hawema. Shelele.
Tonight's game against the Buccaneers. Bele. Oh, that's goal bound. That is